Module 3, Social Media Marketing and Audience Engagement for Artisans. Module 3 focuses on leveraging social media platforms to market artisan products, build an audience, and engage customers effectively. Social media marketing is one of the most powerful tools for artisans because it allows for direct interaction with potential buyers, showcases unique products visually, and drives brand awareness. This module provides a step-by-step, practical, and voluminous guide for artisans to use social media strategically, rather than posting randomly or inconsistently. 1. Understanding social media marketing, SMM. Social media marketing involves the use of platforms like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, and LinkedIn to promote products, connect with customers, and create brand awareness. Key benefits of SMM for artisans include global reach, connect with local, national, and international customers, visual showcase, present products using photos, videos, and live streams. Cost-effective marketing, social media campaigns can be launched with minimal budgets. Customer interaction allows for comments, reviews, direct messaging, and feedback. Community building, develop a loyal customer base around your brand story and products. 2. Choosing the right social media platforms. Not all platforms are equal. Artisans must select platforms based on audience demographics, content type, and product style. Instagram, ideal for visual storytelling, reels, photos, and connecting with younger audiences. Facebook, effective for community building, paid advertising, and showcasing products to a diverse audience. TikTok, perfect for short-form video content and viral trends. Pinterest, highly effective for inspiration, tutorials, and linking to e-commerce sites. LinkedIn, useful for professional artisans targeting corporate clients or collaborations. 3. Content strategy for artisans. Creating a content strategy ensures consistent messaging and audience engagement. Key elements include content calendar, plan posts, videos, and stories for each week to maintain consistency. Content types, product showcase posts with descriptions and pricing. Behind-the-scenes videos showing the making process, tutorial or DIY content, customer testimonials and reviews, seasonal promotions and campaigns. Visual consistency. Maintain consistent colors, styles, and branding in all posts. 4. Engaging your audience. Engagement is critical for turning followers into customers. Strategies include respond to comments and messages. Promptly shows professionalism and builds trust. Ask questions. Use polls, quizzes, and open-ended questions to spark interaction. User-generated content. Encourage customers to share photos of your products and repost them. Live streaming, demonstrate products in real time, answer questions, and showcase authenticity. Incentives, contests, giveaways, or discounts to reward engagement and attract new followers. 5. Social media analytics tracking metrics is crucial to understand what works and what doesn't. Key metrics include reach, how many people see your content, engagement rate, likes, comments, shares, and saves, follower growth, increase in followers over time, click-through rate, CTR, how many users click links to your website or store conversion rate, how many followers purchase products or take desired actions. Tools such as Facebook Insights, Instagram Analytics, TikTok Analytics, and Pinterest Analytics help track these metrics. 6. Best practices for artisans on social media. Consistency. Post regularly to maintain visibility. Authenticity. Show the real craft process, materials, and artisan story. High-quality visuals. Ensure all photos and videos are professional and visually appealing. Engagement. First, sales second. Focus on building relationships and trust before pushing sales. Adapt to trends. Participate in trending challenges, hashtags, and relevant conversations.